Hey y'all, so let me turn this down. I'm about to take my daughter to work and then go to my parents' house because we about to go tackle all of that stuff that's in there. I got my boxes in the back. I gotta take my daughter to work. It's 10:52. She's supposed to be to work at 11. Her job is 20 minutes away. I'm waiting for her.
I literally can't even find my belt.
I don't know what you want me to tell you. I didn't touch your belt. You got to be responsible for your own stuff. Can you put that mirror out, please? Finally. Oh my gosh. It's 12:46. I've been out since 9:30. I dropped my daughter off at work. Just dropped my sister off at work. And I'm back at my parents' house. Anyways, like I was saying. Yeah, so it's just me in the house. I still got the keys to my parents' house because, you know, why not? But everybody is gone. My parents went to a 10-year reunion in Brooklyn, kindergarten. So I think it's 10 years. No, it's longer than that. My parents are, sorry y'all, my parents kind of old. Nah, they ain't old. They in their late 50s. But yeah, so they went to a reunion in Brooklyn. So I had to drop my sister off at work, drop my daughter off at work. And then my daughter forgot her belt, lost her belt. So they was ready to send her home. I went to Walmart. She calls me, oh, Mom, they sending me home because I don't have my black belt. Where's your black belt? Oh, I don't know. I left it in your car. I said, no, because that puts the responsibility on me. You lost your belt. You didn't leave nothing in my car. Like, I checked the car. I see nothing. I didn't eat today. I'm hungry, so I'm about to raid my parents' fridge and see what they got. I had to turn their AC on because, baby, it's hot. I got some boxes. Let me show y'all. I got these boxes so that I can get the rest of my stuff. Pack this stuff up. This stuff up. Don't mind the wall. This is my son. He play too much. But yeah, so I'm going to pack all of this stuff up. Still got this stuff. Still got this stuff. So while I'm here, I'm going to get to work. But before I do that, I'm going to go see what they got in the fridge because your girl is hungry. That's the thing about moving out of your parents' house. Because, you know, I still got the key. And I'm going to come back and see what they got in this fridge. Ooh, I see some ice cream. But yeah, y'all, I'll come back when I start packing all this stuff. Is moved. Still gotta get the stuff. So this stuff is gonna go in boxes. months to do this. 2. Wait, no. We moved May, June, July. 3 months. And we finally did it now. The next step is to get it the hell out of here. Okay, the sun is back out. It stopped raining. I'm going to sit my ass in the AC and wait for my sister to get out of work. It's me, y'all. It's a couple of hours later. It's 5:14 right now. I'm just waiting till like 8:30, 8:40ish so I could go get my sister from work and then head home. I just made me some carbonara soup and I'm playing Sims 4 and I'm about to watch Raising Kanan. Like, this is to let time pass or whatever. My fiance, he wants to go pick up my daughter, so they're heading home and I'm just waiting now. I'm getting my gaming on, y'all. Getting my gaming on. I don't know if I told y'all, but I am a big gamer. Love Sims 4. My favorite game ever. I be playing Enzo sometimes and Paralyzed, but I just feel like nothing could compare to Sims 4. Enzo was pretty close, but they need more mods. They need more hair. They need more CC. Like, they need more all of that. And then I'll say they got it. But Sims 4, I've been playing since it ever came out, since I had my GameCube. But yeah, I don't want to bore y'all. I'm about to eat these noodles, y'all. I love me some Samyang. I think that's what it's called. Samyang noodles. Ever since I had these, I don't eat the regular noodles. It's just something about these noodles that's so good. But I'll see y'all later. Y'all, why is it 10 o'clock and I'm just now getting home? I'm so sorry about this vlog, but I ain't really doing nothing. I'm about to cook because I was supposed to cook this shrimp. So I think I'm going to just cook and just take my behind to bed because I can't go to bed yet. I got to watch Raising Kanan and I'm about to cook this curry shrimp. I saw, oh yeah, the recipe on TikTok. So I'm going to cook.